Hello my friends, welcome to Forex PKS. Today is 14th of October 2021. So US dollar actually dropped a little bit today. So let's check out the introduction before we check out the news and the chart.
Disclaimer: be advised that I am not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I am sharing this information for education purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video.
Okay, we got, let's see what we get here. Wednesday, we got a strong CPI number, right? We expect to have a stronger USD. Okay, but it didn't happen because Thursday morning, what happened Thursday morning was that the Fed meeting, right? The Fed meeting, they are saying that they are close to tapering. Okay, tapering the market, right? Tapering means they are close to cutting down the stimulus to the market, right? So this is viewed as a negative thing for the USD. Okay, so USD actually dropped today. Okay, and also we got this AUD employment change. That's why when we have FOMC, right, a lot of time we might want to be careful with our trade. Okay, coming into FOMC, we don't want to trade too big. Okay, FOMC and Fed statement, right? Fed statement, FOMC meeting, and Fed, let's say, Jerome Powell making a speech, right? Okay, about the economy, right? So we don't want to be very careful with our trade. So this one, actually, there's a possibility that we might want to cut down the size of our trade coming into this meeting. You see, we got so you see, even though we got a strong CPI numbers, right, but after the FOMC, okay, the US dollar still dropped. So we got a strong AUD, okay, unemployment rate, but a weak employment change. Okay, so this is inconsistent for AUD. Okay, but tonight we still have this PPI number. Okay, so in the evening we still got this important PPI number. For now, looks like USD is weakening. If this PPI number come out short, right, so we can see an even further weakening of the US dollar. Okay, and tomorrow also coming in, we got core retail sales. Okay, but looks like the damage for the USD has been done, already done today. Okay, on the FOMC meeting. Okay, let's check out the chart. DXY. Okay, so DXY, a big bearish engulfing candle. Okay, a bearish engulfing candle. Looks like this is coming down. Okay, very lightly. Okay, this is coming down to support 1. Okay, 93.558 or somewhere around here. Okay, we mark support 1 as an area, not a line. Okay, because there's 2 lines over here and I don't want to draw too many support. Okay, support line. Okay, so there's an area. So it could rebound from here or it could rebound from here. Okay, for another buy opportunity, we are looking to buy. Okay, US dollar. We are still looking to buy US dollar, even though there is slight weakness. But look at the major trend. Okay, we trade with the trend. Okay, the major trend is still uptrend, so the right way to go is still to buy. Okay, so we are looking rebound at S1 first. Since we have a bearish engulfing candle, unlikely the price will continue go up. Okay, in case, okay, today the price do continue to go up, we want it to go through R2 first. Okay, retest and resumption only we will go for the trade. Euro USD. So Euro USD, the price has came back, okay, from our setup over here, 1, 2, 3 break. So the price has came back to our setup. So we have to wait and see, right? Because tonight we still have another big event coming in tonight, which is the PPI numbers. Okay, if the PPI numbers do well, we still might get a bearish, okay, Euro USD. Okay, so this is not totally, we are not saying that this is surely, okay, the price will come back. Okay, we'll come back and hit our stop loss over here, okay, over this trade, okay. So this one, if the price do come back to resistance 1, right, if the price does come back to resistance 1, okay, so we are looking for another sell opportunity towards 1560 from 1.1614 to 1.1560. Okay, we are still looking for a sell opportunity. Possible, I think, also possible our target will change. I don't think this is relevant anymore. Let me remove this. I don't see this one. Okay. There is a level here, okay. Support 1, let me see where support 1. Here, okay, there's a new level over here. Okay, this is at, let me see, 1.15254. Okay, so if the price do come back to resistance 1, we see a bearish price action possible. We can have a sell opportunity towards 1.1524254. Okay, I think this level is, there's too many levels happening here, starting to be a little bit choppy here. Okay, a little bit choppy. So maybe I no longer want this level. I think this level is no more relevant. Okay, I think this level no more relevant. That's true. I don't want to draw too many levels over here. Okay, so a drop here possible, a sell opportunity towards 1.14254 or 1.14969, okay, towards support 1. Okay, so these are the trade, or the price might retrace even deeper to resistance 2, 1.16822. Okay, we are still looking to sell. Okay, so there goes, this is for Euro USD. If the price do break down, do break down tonight, or it didn't have any pin bar, we get a sharp break, okay, a sharp drop. So we still, okay, then we might want to look for a retest and resumption at support 1, okay, for sell opportunity. So let me see the candlestick here. This is already sideways. This is really sideways price action. This is not very good to trade. How many candles? Okay, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. We still trade the breakout, okay, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. This is already a railroad track again. So there's not too much to trade. Okay, there's not too much to trade. You can see this is starting to look like a railroad track again. Okay, so be careful trading this. Okay, but those of you already opened this trade, okay, there is a still possibility the price can continue. Okay, come to a support 1. If the price do drop to resistance 1, we get a big pin bar here. Okay, we get a sell trade possible over here and over at R2. Okay, USD Jpy. USD Jpy, as we said, right, we got a no pass zone, right? You shall not pass, right, this area. Okay, so the price came to our you shall not pass area. Let me label it S3. I didn't label it. So this whole area we call it, okay, we call it S3. R3, sorry, not S3. Resistance 3. Okay, so this whole area you shall not pass. Now the price really slow down. So we are still looking for buy opportunity. Okay, after a retracement towards resistance 1 or after a retracement towards support 1. Okay. USD, so every USD already retraced back to resistance 2. Okay, so there is still a possible sell trade at resistance 2. If we print out a very strong print bar over here, or even to here, resistance 3, or our buyer's line. Okay, let me draw out the resistance 3 over here. USDcad. Okay, USDcad didn't print out such a good price action. Let me see. It doesn't print out a very strong price action over here, so there's no trade. Okay, we are looking for a strong pin bar over here. Okay, or a strong bearish engulfing candle for a sell trade over here. We didn't get it. Instead, the price just slowly grinding down. These are the price action that we don't want to trade, because all these price action, right, does not have a very strong directional bias. Okay, it doesn't have, you see, pin dodgy, okay, then a slightly bigger dodgy, another, okay, a slightly bigger bearish candle, but also tail at the bottom, tail at the top. So this is very inconsistent, so we are not trading this. Okay, so wait for a break of support 1, okay, retest resumption, or the price come back to resistance 1, get a strong bearish engulfing candle for a sell trade over here. Pound USD, our 1, 2, 3, okay, did not happen, so this trade we ignore. Okay, 1, 2, 3 looks like, okay, the pound want to go even higher to resistance 2 or resistance 1, R1 or R2. So now we are still looking to sell, okay, still looking to sell below our buyer's line, okay, looking for a sell trade at resistance 2 or sell trade at resistance 3, okay, we get a bearish, okay, price action over this area. Okay, these two area, we get pin bar here or pin bar here, right, we want to sell. NZD also our 1, 2, 3 trade, actually the 4-hour trade already reached target, okay, but the daily candle haven't reached target. So this one, the price is receding, going up towards resistance 1, okay. So this one most likely, okay, there is still we are still looking for a sell trade at resistance 1 or sell trade at resistance 2, okay. Resistance 1 is 0.6993 and resistance 2 is 0.7077. Gold finally show the direction. Okay, gold is going up strong. Gold has went up strong. Okay, 1788 now it show the direction. You see, we don't want to trade over here, right? Even though we got a pin bar here, we don't want to trade. But gold haven't passed through our buyer's line. Okay, and it is inside the railroad track. Okay, railroad track. Inside this sideways price action over here. So we are not keen, okay, we are not keen to trade this. We got a false break over here, we got a false break over here. So if you go to the weekly candle, right, you can see this railroad track, okay, got a, you see this or not? Okay, you see the weekly, right, railroad track, okay, a railroad track, a false break over here, false break over here, false break over here, okay. So this was the 2 false break. Which is here, okay, which is here and here. So this one, okay, this one looks like what do you see here? Head and shoulder, right? Do you see the head and shoulder? Okay, so the price broke through the neckline. Looks like the price want to go even higher. Okay, but we are not trading this yet. Okay, once the price go through 1800, yes, maybe we want to look for buy trade. Okay, but now as it is, okay, we are still in. As long as it's inside this area, I'm not very keen to trade. Okay, SPI has broke out from the sideways price action, okay, coming to retest resistance 2. Okay, so from resistance 2, we are still looking for sell. If we get a bearish price action at resistance 2, if it goes through resistance 2, we are looking to buy, okay, looking for a retest and resumption. The DAX also starting to rebound, but it's still below our buyer's line, still below this, okay, this downtrend trend line. Actually, you can see there's a channel over here. You can see there's a channel over here, right? Okay, so this is a channel bottom, also is our buyer's line. So there will be very strong resistance over here. So we will still look for a sell opportunity, okay, at resistance 1. Okay, if it breaks through resistance 1, then we will look for a buy opportunity towards resistance 2. Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq, the price has reversed. This one, okay, this one, we took a sell trade over here, but the price did not reach the target. Reverse this one, possible. Okay, you want to close the trade also, I think there's a possibility that we might want to close the trade. Okay, because we are getting what do we get here? A bullish engulfing candle, a big bullish engulfing candle. So this is I think better close the trade. Okay, it's not working out whatever direction we are going this week, it's not working out. So sometimes it happens like that. Okay, we get winners, we get losers, but make sure when we win, okay, our risk on reward ratio is always bigger than our losses. Okay, make sure we win more than we lost. So this one possible, you want to close the trade, there's a possible we might want to do that because we got a very strong bullish engulfing candle. Okay, US, let me see Nasdaq, bullish engulfing. There is a possibility that the price might still go down. This one might still go down. We took this trade, the stop loss is below here. So there is a possibility to hold and to close the trade is 50-50 for me. It's 50-50. I would still, let me see. Okay, I will still keep the trade. Okay, I don't want to tamper with my trade, so I will still keep the trade. Okay, even though we have a bullish engulfing candle, we have to let our trade run its course. Okay. Once it go through, this resistance one, then we'll look for buy trade. Okay, then we'll look for buy trade. As a trader, right, we must be able to take losses. If you cannot take losses, losses is part of the game. Losses is part of a trading game. Okay, if you cannot take losses, right, means you are trading into anxiety, you are trading into stress, you are trading into you are most likely trading into a painful experience. Okay, when we journey, right, okay, into a trading business, okay, you can call it business or a trading journey. Okay, when we enter a trading journey, right, remember losses is part of the game. Okay, just like when you go to you want to become a successful tennis player or a badminton player. Okay, if you cannot endure a loss, right, if you cannot accept losses, right, okay, it's best that, okay, you don't become a tennis player or badminton player, because losses is happen all the time. Okay, even Roger Federer lost many times at Wimbledon, right? Even Rafael Nadal also start to lose in clay. Okay, he never lost in clay, right? Now he started to lose in clay, and few years back also he lost in clay, right? So they are the best of the best, and they also endure losses, right? So trading, we say trading is anybody's business, right? Anything can happen in trading. Okay, there is no uncertainty. You got no effect. Okay, we have no effect to the chart. Okay, Roger Federer, they got their skill. They can use their game plan, their strategy, right? But they also, okay, even though with the best of the best skill, okay, you still get losses, right? So they still have to endure losses. Okay, if cannot endure losses, then it's better, okay, not to do this business. Make sure, okay, you are prepared to. Your strategy, right, must be able to absorb losses. At least, right, your strategy must be to absorb 50% losses. Then only you got a chance to be a trader. Okay, if your strategy, if you lost 2 times, your money all blown out, then maybe you have to rethink what is your strategy. Okay, what is your strategy? It's very important. Okay, so US dollar, okay, slowly grinding up. Looks like it's making a triangle. Looks like it's going to break. You're going to look for direction soon. I'm not keen in trading all this. Okay, I'm not keen, tell you the truth. Because this is another railroad track I can show you, right? If I show you the weekly, right, you can see the weekly railroad track. Okay, so I don't want to trade all this railroad track, because this is nothing but, okay, but stress and pain. This is only stress and pain, right? You ignore the tail, right? What you can see here, you ignore the tail, right? What you can see. Okay, you ignore the tail, right? What can you see? Okay, you ignore the tail, you just see these two inside. What can you see? A railroad track, right? So trading this will only give you more pain, okay, more anxiety. So I'm not trading this. So until the price, okay, if the price do break through resistance 1, yes, I am keen to trade, okay? Or the price do print a bearish price action here at resistance 1, our buyer's line 34716, then I might want to go for a sell trade. S&P. So S&P, we got pin bar over here, but we are not trading buying here because it's below our buyer's line, okay? So we look for a buy opportunity after it break through our resistance 1, our buyer's line, okay? Or we get a bearish price action at resistance 1, we want to go for a sell opportunity, okay? Bitcoin. So Bitcoin continues to rise and rise and rise, okay? So continue to hold. Okay, Ethereum start to follow. Okay, Litecoin start to follow. Okay, SRP is a bit slower, okay, because SRP got the case with the SEC. So it's a bit slower. So looks like the coin are coming, okay. So this is very interesting. Okay, keep holding your Bitcoin, keep holding your Ethereum, keep holding your Litecoin. Okay, and there are a lot of exotic coin, exotic coin like Dogecoin, you know, the Elon Musk favorite, all those coin. So you still can buy and hold that one. That one may generate a very big yield, but those are not very consistent. Okay, those are very, very volatile coin. So I prefer to hold, okay, a more consistent coin, such as of course the big two you have to hold. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course Litecoin. Okay, is a substitute to Bitcoin, right? It's a silver, gold and silver thing kind of thing, right? So Litecoin I will also hold. Ethereum I will also hold. XRP I am not too keen, okay, because XRP still got the SEC case, so anything still can happen, okay. If they get a big penalty from the SEC, so this could affect their performance. But over these four cryptocurrency, right, SRP are the one that will, okay, cause if they able to come out from SEC case, right, without any problem, right, they could be the one with the highest gain, okay, because the highest risk, of course, will give you the highest gain, okay. So that's it for today. Stay safe from COVID, and don't forget to like and support, okay, like and support. Let me take out this. Remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like, okay, and share this video with your friend. Which are your friend that likes to do trading, likes to start trading, like to learn about trading, like to learn about chart? You can, okay, recommend them by sharing. And also remember to like, okay, to show that YouTube that our channel is growing, okay. Okay, our channel is not growing very fast, but it is growing, okay, it is growing very well. And if you don't know, right, I got another stock market, okay, and I got another stock market okay, I got another stock market channel, right, called Trading VKS. Okay, because this is a new channel, I got a long time established channel, Trading VKS. Okay, this channel, right, every day I got 4,000 to 5,000 views. Okay, I got 6,500 subscriber, and every day my Chinese and English, every day I do 2 videos here. Okay, add up, okay, they yield around 4,000 to 5,000 views every day. Okay, but Forex is a new one. Okay, hopefully, okay, you guys continue to follow. Okay, but this stock market is only for Malaysia, KLSE. Okay, for KLSE only. So this one is not for global. So okay, so this one is new channel. Hopefully, okay, you guys can support this channel and help this one grow just like my other channel. Okay, and so I can share more information, more knowledge with you guys. I've been trading for 6 years now. Should be around 65 to 6 years, if I remember correctly. It's almost to 6 years. Okay, almost to 6 years already. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Check out my Twitter, Forex VKS. Stay safe from coronavirus. Bye-bye.